meet my client, Brad. He wants to refresh his living room, his dining area, and his patio. They have a dog and they entertain a lot. I would really like to introduce Sunbrella fabrics and selections so that they can achieve that easy to maintain, easy to clean, easy to entertain vibe that they're looking for, but also get that cozy and beautiful factor as well. Driving through the neighborhood, it's so gorgeous here.
We love it at the lake. It's a great experience for us. We definitely love to entertain, and things get dirty every once in a while.
You have a pet. Mm-hmm. Tell us about him.
Milton, he's a 5-year-old golden doodle, and he's very active. He's in and out all the time.
And he's allowed on the sofas.
He is. We like the linen look, kind of the natural look, the light blues, light greens.
My thought today was to bring you some Sunbrella options.
Okay. We have Sunbrella on our boat, and so it's like the canvas like.
They've actually made a great leap into interiors, fabrics, fibers that don't feel like your typical patio furniture.
So that would be my biggest concern, is it's soft and pliable for the furniture.
So it feels good in hand?
I like that a lot. If something's this pretty and this soft, is it really going to perform well?
Why don't I show you?
All right, let's see.
Sunbrella fabric here.
Okay.
Non-Sunbrella fabric here. Similar look, right? We found some blackberries in the fridge, and we're just gonna act like you were serving a fruit salad and somebody stepped or sat on a blackberry. Serious stain. Okay, and then I'm gonna clean it up just like you would. If you had a guest over, you'd say, oh, don't worry about it. And they'd be feeling really bad. So now I'm just gonna take dish soap and water. That's all I need. And literally just scrub. I'm not putting a ton of pressure. I'll do the same thing with the other. After you've done this, all you need to do is just let it air dry. Your guest is gonna say, oh my gosh.
Yeah, that would have been helpful
anytime. In a couple hours, you won't be able to tell that there was anything on this umbrella.
I can already tell a big difference. That looks great. Let's move forward.
Awesome. I'm so excited to share with you what we have for you today. I've brought Amy with me. She's one of the design directors at Sunbrella.
Thank you.
Great to meet you.
Everything you see here is Sunbrella fabric.
I'm amazed at the color palette that you put together. This looks really great.
Awesome. I'm so excited.
For our interior fabrics, we're really focusing on constructions and components so that they have softer hands and more drapability. Part of what allows us to get such nice textures are these chunky boucle yarns that you see here. So it's very loopy and quite textural. We also have some other types of yarns like lush chenille yarns that give more of like a sumptuous hand that's nice and soft.
We know you like the color, you like the design. Approved, right?
Approved. Last time you were here, you showed us the experiment with the blackberries. How does it work? Is it nasty chemicals that we have to be around in order to get the performance?
No, actually, the performance characteristics of Sunbrella are innate to the fiber. So we have Sunbrella Color to the Core technology. Our fabrics are Green Guard Gold certified and Okotex certified. Those are two certifications that guarantee that products doesn't have any nasty chemicals and are certified for indoor air quality.
Excellent. This looks great. I say we move forward and with your selection.
There's just this amazing energy that comes from seeing the work we did collaboratively come together in his home so that he can enjoy it and live exactly how we planned it.
Sarah, thank you for coming in and seeing the final product. It looks so great.
Oh my gosh, it looks phenomenal. This room looks so elegant, and a white sofa with a pet. Can you believe it? And look at him. Look at
Milton loves his new bed.
Oh my gosh.
Loves his new
bed. Buddy. You're stylish. That's amazing. Everything Sunbrella, just so beautiful, and just for where you guys are here at the lake, wonderful.
Look at the curtains. They turned out great. With the wide stripe, they just turned out really, really nice. I think you pulled some fabrics into here as well.
Milton's dog bed fabric is on the back of this chair, just a little bit of trim on the side, just really bringing these rooms together. And your drapes, their performance as well. You just don't expect them to drape like this. It's so beautiful.
Absolutely. I love how you guys brought the design from inside to outside using some of the same fabrics.
It's not usual that you can do that. Your cubes, that's Milton's dog bed trim, your dining chairs, and even the throw blanket.
We've been very pleased. Thank you so much for the design.
Oh, it's been such a pleasure. We absolutely love doing it.
To learn more about Sunbrella's beautiful indoor performance fabrics, visit sunbrella.com.